If you're wondering how Coursera works, this beginner's guide will show you exactly how the platform works and how to get started in 2026. Before we begin, you'll find a discount link in the description below that gives access to the latest Coursera Plus offer, so you can check the current pricing if you decide to subscribe. Coursera is an online learning platform that partners with top universities and companies to offer courses in subjects like AI, business, Python, data science, technology, marketing, and much more. Getting started is simple. First, you create a free Coursera account. Then you can search for a topic you're interested in and browse thousands of available learning programs. Some courses can be accessed for free, while others require payment if you want graded assignments, certificates, and full features. If you only need one course, you can purchase that individual program. Once you enroll in a course, you'll watch video lessons, complete quizzes and assignments, and progress at your own pace. Most courses are flexible, which means you can learn whenever it fits your schedule. After completing eligible programs, you can earn certificates that can be added to your resume or LinkedIn profile. One of the reasons Coursera is so popular is because you can learn from organizations like Google, IBM, Microsoft, Meta, and leading universities including the University of Michigan and Vanderbilt University. There is also a 7-day free trial available for the monthly Coursera Plus plan, while annual subscribers receive a 14-day money-back guarantee. Right now, new subscribers can get the Coursera Plus annual plan for $239 instead of the regular $399 price. That's a 40% discount and less than $20 per month when billed annually. The current offer is available until July 13th, 2026. Check the discount link in the description below to see the latest Coursera Plus offer and start learning from some of the world's leading universities and companies.